Hello pupils, hope you're doing well. I am teacher Eric. Today I'm going to take you through Science and Technology, Standard 3. And as you can see on the board, we are going to discuss on matter. Now I think this is not a new terminology, or if for some. Let's see the meaning. What is matter? Now, in a simple definition, matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Anything that occupies space and has got weight. Now, that is a simple definition of matter. Let me write it on the board. We say matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. So, anything, any object, any substance that can occupy space and has weight, that is referred to as matter. Many things around your environment, I think you can see a vessel, you can see a chair, you can see a book, you can see a pen, you can see table, you can see a spoon, and many things of that kind. You can as well see water, juice if there is, some milk if there is, salt, but there are some that we cannot see, but we can feel them, like air. All those are matter. All those are matter. So we can just give some few examples of matter. Those are just but few examples concerning matter. Few examples of matter. We have just listed here: air, stone, water, salt, sugar, milk, petrol, and whatsoever. Those are examples of matter. Now after this, let's see states of matter. Matter is found on various states. Matter exists in various states. Now let's see states of matter. Now, in states of matter, we're going to see the three states of matter. The three states of matter. These are solid. The second one is liquid, and the last one is gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Those are the most common states of matter. Solid, liquid, and gas. Gas, liquid, and solid, or in whatever way. Those are the three states of matter. So let's write here. There are three states of matter, which are: first one is solid, liquid, the second one, and the third one is gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Those are the three states of matter. Now, let's start with the first, our first substance that is solid. Let's see what is the solid state of matter and the behaviors. Solid state. Now, just with the description, solid state of matter is a state of matter of which its particles or molecules are closely compacted together. The molecules in solid state are closely compacted together. Closely attached. And that is why when you tend to see or touch solid material around you, you can hold it, you can lift it, you can throw it, and it can move with the whole body without leaving some molecules behind. That is solid. So we say solid state is a state of matter whose molecules are compacted together. Closely compacted together. Just by the show of diagram, let me just draw a certain diagram here, and then let's try to show how these molecules may be seen. These are just the look. I'm just trying to illustrate how the molecules in solid are closely attached together. Solid materials are like this marker pen that I'm holding here. Now, due to the close attachment of this molecule, that is why you can see I can throw this marker pen up and it remains as it is, unlike water or unlike gas. Now, examples of solid. Let's see examples of solid substances, or examples of substances in solid state. Examples, we can say stone, we can say iron, pen, we can talk of bricks, we can talk of pencil, we can talk of book. Those are just some of the examples. Some of the examples. So stone, iron, pen, brick, pencil, books. Those are just some of the examples of things found in solid state. Things found in solid state of matter. I have said solid state of matter, the molecules which makes this state of matter are closely attached together. That is why solid becomes the toughest state of matter. Toughest or hardest. That means if you try to knock the table is one among the solid state. Try to knock the table, you will feel pain. Why? Because the table is in solid state. If you try to knock water, you will not feel the same pain. Now let's see the second one, which is liquid state. Liquid state now, liquid state of matter is a state of matter whose molecules are not as close as those one of solid. Now, this state of matter contains the substance which can flow. Substance which can flow, like water, like milk, like petrol, and some of substances of that kind. Substances which can flow. I have just said that the molecules in this state of matter are not as close as those one in solid state. They are not as close, and that is why if you take an example of water, water cannot stay at the same place if it is out of the container. If you pour water down, it will start moving into different directions, because its molecules are not compacted together, unlike stone, which is in solid state. When you take a stone and put it somewhere, it will remain as it is, because the molecules of stone, which is in solid state, are closely compacted together. Now, let me just draw a diagram to illustrate how molecules in in liquid are. Now you can see, these molecules in liquid are not closely compacted. It is not attached, they are not attached to one another. That gives a free movement of those molecules. It gives a free movement. That is why I have said, when you pour water or liquid or your juice in a bottle, when you pour it down, it will start moving freely and start flowing on the ground. So examples of substances in liquid state. Examples of substances in liquid state. They include water itself, water, milk, and this should be fresh milk. We have petrol, juice, and many other things of that kind. So I have just said that solid state, liquid state of matter contain substances which can flow. When you pour them down, they will not remain at that place constantly. They will start flowing because their molecules are not compacted together. They are not as those one of solid. We have said for solid, example of the solid that I am having here is this marker pen. If I put it down or on my end here, it is remaining as it is. Would I have water? When I pour water here on my end, water will not remain here constant on my end. It will start flowing and pouring down because its molecules are not together. Let's go to the third state of matter. The third state of matter, and that is gas or gaseous state. Gas. Now, gas is the state of matter whose molecules are far apart compared to all these two states of matter that we have discussed. Gaseous state of matter is the state of matter whose molecules are very far apart, and that is why we even get difficulties of seeing a gas or even touching it, but rather we can just feel it. You cannot see gas because its molecules are very far apart. It is like someone who is here where I am and the other person is around 1 kilometer from me. We won't see one another. We are very far apart. That is the behavior of gaseous state. So let's describe it. Molecules are very, very far apart. Very far apart. Not that thing, not the statement, very far apart. In solid, we say that in solid state, the molecules are not as close as those ones of solid. But in gas, the molecules are very far apart. Let me just draw a simple diagram which can show us the molecules, how molecules in gas behaves, or how they are situated. So you can see, even this distance from here, from one molecule to the other molecule, and from this molecule to this molecule, and from this molecule back to the other molecule, they are very far apart. Very, very far apart. And that is why I have said things in this state cannot be seen. Gas cannot be seen. Air, which is in gaseous state, cannot be seen. But we can just feel that there is gas, or there is air, or wind. So examples. All components of air that you are speaking. Example, vapor or steam. Vapor or steam. That is one of the examples. I just want to give you a note that gaseous state is the lightest. Gaseous state is the lightest state of matter. Gaseous state is the lightest state of matter. Now, when we shall meet in the next lesson, we'll see how air can occupy space. Someone has said, if air if the molecules in air is very far apart, then how can we say it is occupying space? Because we know that occupation of space is one of the factors that makes a substance to be matter. Now, how is it occupying space? we'll see in the next lesson. For today, let's end here. The next lesson will proceed with other properties of different states of matter. Thank you very much. Remember to protect yourself.